Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, Melissa, thank you for this super thanks. You don't have to do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I don't know what to say other than thank you. I do appreciate you, and I'm glad everything's going better for you. Okay, now we're gonna get on to meal prep. Lord have mercy, y'all. Oh, I made my salad way too big tonight. It's still Sunday night, and good night Gertrude. Between the salad and those noodles, everything expanded at once, and I thought I was gonna die. I was like, man, I'm going to have to call 911. And they're going to be like, what's your problem? And I'll be like, I ate too much, and I think my stomach blew up on the inside. I'm not kidding. I was so full, I thought I was going to die. Oh, so I had some cabbage. So I'm going to try to make this a little bit smaller. And then there's some broccoli slaw. I don't like this baggie. I'm going to get a different Ziploc. Hang on. Yeah, let's put it in here. I won't be able to see the expiration date, but that's probably for the best. Because, I'll see that expiration date and be like, oh, it's probably going to expire, guys. All right, I'm going to put that back there. What else have we got? Of course, we know I got to do my red onions. I'm just trying to make it smaller than tonight's because, Nelly, that was rough. Oh my stars, that was rude, but it just goes to show you I'm still full. Terry, that's shameful, just plumb shameful, y'all. I'm gonna put a little bit of rutabaga, less rutabaga than last time, today, that's for sure. But man, there was some good stuff, y'all. Whoo-wee. It was darn good. Here's just a little bit of zucchini. And then I'll use a little bit of jicama. It is not quite 8 o'clock. So I'm finding, now tell me how weird this is. Maybe there's some techie people out there. So I record, and in case anybody out there wants to make a YouTube channel, I do it all on my phone. I don't use a computer. And I use a free app, and I really like it. It's great for editing. However, when I go to upload it, it's really weird. I cannot upload a video between like 5:30 and 8 p.m. I do not know if it's, what the deal is. I have searched, this is just a big old mess. Hang on. I don't know why I always want to do stuff and piddle with stuff while I got the camera on, as if, Terry Poodle. Anyway, so I use an app, which I like it. It's a really good one. It's free, and it's user-friendly. It's Terry-friendly. But the weirdest thing, it doesn't have to be on, I don't have to have my it doesn't have to be on Wi-Fi for me to upload or anything, but it will not let me upload between about 5:30ish and 8 p.m. I don't know why. And it is 7:57, so I was like, well, let me go on and make my supper or lunch tomorrow, and then I can go on and upload it then. But it's so weird, just really, really weird. So, I don't know if any of you techie people, the app is called InShot, InShot. And there are other YouTube videos, because I did a search for it, and there are other YouTube, users, people, and actually, Nisha Berry is who I even heard the name of this app from, and, because evidently it was one either she used to use, I don't know if she still uses it, probably not, because she has a camera now. But anyway, now that's much smaller than the one I had tonight. But But anyway, so it's one she used. Okay, Thousand Island. And I'm out. I didn't want to open a Skinny Girl. I'm not going and use these since I have them open. This is honey mustard dipping sauce. Just going to use a drizzle. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Polynesian. And then I wonder why I'm pooping like a goose tomorrow. Because I think there's sucralose in these. And all of them. Oh no, let's see what his preferred sugar is. Sucralose. I don't know, does that one make you have the poopies? I don't know. Anyway, it still tastes good. So yeah, it's really weird. And I can, whether I'm online, you know, like whether I've got my my Wi-Fi on, or whether I have that off and I'm using cellular data, it honestly doesn't matter. It's just how it is. Between 5:30 and 6 p.m. it won't let me upload my videos. So weird, I know. Hey, I got my new apples. Hang on. Yeah, that's a Cosmic Crisp. Now that is an apple, not that old stanky other kind. All right, so apple. I got my meal tomorrow is one of those zero carb 80-20s. This is zero carb. That was whenever I was doing that week of carnivore, and I made 11 things, too many foods for the week. So that's one of those. And then, so in other words, this and the salad's way too many calories, but you know, we just keep going. And I got a little muffin, and then this yogurt. So I got that together. So hopefully by the time I'm done, I'll be able to upload my video. Like I said, it's just the weirdest thing because once 8 o'clock comes around, now sometimes, and like I said, I looked online and there's other people that had issues too. And they said that when they called, they told her just to remove just a few seconds from her video. And she's like, I worked for hours to edit my video and get it just how I wanted. I didn't have a couple seconds to just take off. So anyway, at least I know I'm not the only one that has issues with the app. And that was 2 years ago. I'm like, man, there were trouble 2 years ago and there's still issues. But it's free and it's, like I said, it's a really good editing app. So, you know, I'm just going to use it and keep using it. And you all just get to hear me whine and complain about it. All right. Now, got my coffee all ready. And no protein in it. The protein is only for Sunday mornings, okay? So I just did the protein this morning. And my usual coffee is just some kind of sugar-free syrup with some coffee and my chocolate electrolytes. You can see the link down in the description of this video for how to make my electrolytes. I make fruity and chocolate. All right, I'm putting this away. I'm going to see if I can upload the video. Bye. Seriously, 8:07 and the video uploaded. It's so funny. The app is so weird. It's not even connected. I don't know. Maybe it is connected to people online. I don't know, but that's so weird. 8:07, the video uploaded. Okay, bye. Monday morning weigh-in. Definitely ate out twice. I had alcohol once and been going to the gym twice. So we've got a combination of inflammation, water retention, and yeah, but it is what it is. Up several pounds. So now we just focus on eating right and get it back to where it should be. No pressure, just get back to where we should be. It's breakfast time. I'm going to eat. And by the way, yes, my weight is up. And no, don't be saying it's because you're eating this or you're eating that or you're not doing this and that. Because I don't want to hear it. I'm just taking you along, so don't be telling me, I know it's because you're eating too much fruit, or you're eating too many vegetables. No, it's been fine all this time. I went out to eat Friday night and had all those bad foods and alcohol, and then I went out to eat Sunday with Mom, and I had that big old pork steak and salad and broccoli, so that always caused me some water retention, and I worked out twice, which that causes inflammation and water retention. So don't be seeing it, and my home, I'm gonna start my home weight, my baseline is anywhere between 158 to 161. So I'm up from that, and yeah. So yes, I appreciate you, and I know you all have your own opinions about why it's up, but I don't want you to share them with me because I already know why it's up, and I'm just gonna go back. I'm just gonna keep eating the way I'm eating. I'm not changing a thing. I'm just gonna keep eating and just kind of let things level out after I get going to the gym and the inflammation kind of starts settling down. Excuse me. I'm gonna go through some healing and some and some growing, through going to the gym. My body's going to be doing some weird things. I was tempted to just not even put that part in there, but I'm sharing with you all, so that way you all, if one of you all go to the gym and your body is not used to going to the gym, just so you can, I want to share, so when it does happen to you, it's not a big surprise. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. So breakfast, I'm going to eat. I've got a vanilla yogurt, and I have my egg muffin. You can see the video for how to make those. I have a playlist called like routine meal preps or weekly meal preps, routine weekly something or another. Anyway, I got tons of playlists on this channel, and but these are in the routine one because I make them, pretty frequently. So that's why I put them in there. I think the casserole's in there as well as the muffins. So, all right, I'm going to eat, and I'll see you later. It's lunchtime, and I have my salad that I made. I'm so proud of myself. I made it a little smaller. And my burger. This is the 80-20 burger. I did not add any extra seasonings to it or anything, or any ketchup. Let's see what we think. It's hot. Some salt. All right, let's try this again. See if that gives a little bit of some life. That definitely helped. Now, let's try the salad. Yeah, last night my salad was so big, I was like, thought I was going to have to go to the ER because I thought my stomach was going to pop. It was rough. My hope is this weekend I can make those bread and butter pickles, as I think that would be fabulous. I'm going to try maybe even add extra of the pickles that I made. Add extra pickles to my salads and stuff just to kind of help me get through them faster. Bye. Hey, so supper tonight we're going to do over the weekend. I'm not sure when my meal prepped, if it's done or not done. Anyway, I made some veggies and I made them in big chunks so I could put them in my air fryer. So we are going to air fry some stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in a big container. I learned that from my last mistake. We're going to put a little bit. This is some rutabaga. I don't need a whole lot, just a few pieces. So some rutabaga, and then, so you saw me cut them up, and originally I put them in their own containers. So I was like, you know what, I could put them in little baggies. So all I have to do is grab a baggie. So this has zucchini. It has some butternut squash, And I went ahead and cut those Brussels sprouts in half. I have some big pieces of onion, red onion. And I'm going to put a couple beets in here. And I'm going to spray that and put seasoning on it just a second. So we're going to spray them with a little bit extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put actually a few more onions in here, the white onions. Some of them might fall through, but that's all right. These are just chopped white onions. I'm going to spray them with some olive oil just to kind of help the seasoning stick. I'm going to put a little bit of Greek seasoning on them. I'm going to put some of this poppin'. This is all day poppin'. Got that from Gina. It has some citrus, garlic, and parsley. I'm going to put some total seasoning on it. This is the Badia complete seasoning, and then just some plain salt. And now what I'm going to do is take a lid, give them a good shake, spray it with just a little bit more. It's beeping because it's telling me it's done. So now we are going to, I think I did it, we'll do 7 minutes and then we'll check it in 7 minutes. I think I did 5 and something last time, but it needed to go longer than 5, so, all right. So there we go. I'll see you in 7 minutes and we'll take a look. Oh, it's set on 400 degrees for 7 minutes. Going, that's how it's looking. We'll go let it go for, I don't know, we'll do another 4 minutes. Put it back in at 400 for 4 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, let's take our veggies out. Put them in this container here. Alrighty. Turn that off. And look at those veggies. We got that. We have some chicken bega. I made that. I think that came out, I think Sunday. I can't remember when it got released. But it's rutabaga and chicken. If you want to see this recipe, you can go to my meal prep video. I think this was in the Sunday special. It's chicken, cheese, rutabaga, and it's hot. So let me just slow my roll here. Slow my roll. Good flavor. I don't remember what else in it. But it's good. So that's the chicken and bacon. Let's try a piece of, I think this might be squash. I think this might be butternut squash. Sorry, you had to see that. That's hot. Yeah. Okay then. Well, it's vegetables. That's a pepper. That's good. Yeah, that's what I'm having. These roasted veggies. They're roasted in my mouth. Chicken bacon and fruit. And that'll be my supper. Okay, bye.